predicate. Compound predicates help you express detailed information in a concise way, allowing you to add two or more actions performed by the same subject. Therefore, understanding compound predicates is important for the following reasons. Number one, effective way of communication. Compound predicates allow you to communicate your thoughts in an effective way, which is ideal in all types of communications such as business, academic, or professional communications. Number two, greater expressiveness. Compound predicates allow you to express detailed descriptions, which is very important in order to keep the readers or listeners engaged. Number three, sufficient info delivery. Compound predicates allow you to deliver sufficient information in an efficient way. You can give several pieces of information using compound predicates. Summary: compound predicate. A compound predicate consists of two or more actions or states performed by the same subject. Compound predicates are used in English for the sake of clarity, conciseness, and expressiveness, allowing the writers to express detailed information through linking different logical actions.